WIS News Chat.
All right, Ashley Holland there in York County for us. As this story continues to develop, you will find all of those updates as soon as we have them right on your WIS News app.
A live look outside over the capital city with the first alert weather headlines. An alert day for our Wednesday. Rain snow mix likely with some accumulations and high temperatures in the 60s to near 70 degrees once we move through the week into the weekend. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings in effect as we go through tomorrow from 2 a.m. to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. That means that we could see some accumulating snow. It could cause some problems on some of the roads, bridges, and overpasses. So as we look ahead into the forecast for tonight, our clouds will thicken up, and as we move well through the overnight, we'll start seeing some rainfall moving through. Our temperatures will likely start into the low 40s, then drop into the 30s as we go through early in the morning as a cold front moves in. Now keep in mind, it's still going to be dry ahead of the front. Limited moisture along the front, but still enough uplift and cold weather around above the surface that we'll likely see some snow mixing in with some rain early on before transitioning into some snow. So around 5 a.m., you're going to look out the window, you're going to see say Dominus, hey, where is it? Well, it's going to take a little while for some of us to see it. So starting off with rain and sleet, then as we go through the morning, that's around 7 o'clock in the morning, we'll start seeing some areas here shaded in blue, seeing some snow moving in, whereas some areas still seeing some rainfall moving in as well. We go through the morning again, through at least the 9 o'clock hour. You see the clock at the top of the screen here. We'll start seeing that rain, sleet line here getting a bit farther to the east towards areas like Lee County, Sumter County, Calhoun County, Orangeburg County, but then snowfall for areas here in Newberry County, Saluda, Lexington, parts of Richland County, Fairfield County, towards Kershaw County. And then as it continues moving eastward, we're likely going to see the highest amounts of snow, that snowfall potential to the north, along the I-77 corridor towards North Carolina, but still enough that we could see maybe a dusting up to an inch for parts of the central Midlands here. Again, higher amounts to the north. It starts to wrap around towards the noon hour and 1 o'clock, and that means we start shutting the snow machine down, but still enough that we could see a couple of snow flurries lingering around through the middle part of the afternoon to the early evening. County by county, there you go. You saw some of the rainfall for Clarendon County, Orangeburg County, even towards Bamberg and Bernal counties. Not as much snow. Yeah, you could see some snowflakes mixed in with rain, but not much accumulations. Less than an inch possible for parts of Calhoun, less than an inch for Sumter, less than an inch for Lee County. You'll also see much the same for Richland County and Columbia, although the northern parts of northeast Columbia we'll have to watch out for. Lexington County, 1 to 2 inches possible for Newberry County, less than an inch there for Saluda County, anywhere from that dusting to an inch for some of those areas there where I have less than an inch. Maybe a little more than an inch for parts of the central and northern parts of Kershaw County, 1 to 2 inches possible for Chester, Fairfield County, more than 2 inches possible for Lancaster County and Chesterfield counties. You're going to likely have the bullseye for seeing some of that as it moves through the area for tomorrow. Keep in mind, a lot can still happen between now and then. We still got to deal with some dry air, but not as dry as 2 weeks ago for parts of the area where we really got nothing, okay? Temperatures for tomorrow, middle upper 30s. We go into the 40s. We got to watch out, though, Wednesday night, early Thursday morning, because anything that's left over on the bridges and overpasses will likely freeze with the temperatures going down to the teens and 20s. That's the forecast. We'll be right back.
To bring you more savings and selection at Jim Hudson.